Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one beautiful 1975 Cadillac. She's got a fresh build on the motor. She's got beautiful paint, beautiful interior. You're gonna love checking this thing out, man. Check out the chrome, the grille, the emblems, the paint. I mean, everything on this thing is just absolutely beautiful. 1975, that's a long time ago. I guess I was about 14 years old, somewhere around that area. She is a beauty. Now, my grandpa used to buy a new Cadillac for Grandma every year, and I'm pretty sure we had one just like this. Brings back a lot of memories. They've polished up all the stainless. It's looking good. The little half vinyl top is looking sweet, and then check out the interior on this beauty. That tells you that the car was very, very well kept throughout the years. That door panel looking sweet, carpeting looking sweet. I'm gonna grab the keys so you don't have to listen to it buzz. That interior's all looking beautiful. I tell you, it is comfortable as can be also. Of course, we got seat belts front and rear. All the finishes in there look good. All the chrome, all that imitation wood grain in there looking sweet. Headliner's in great shape. I mean, everything about this Cadillac just looking gorgeous. Tell you what, take this to the car show. You're gonna be the hit of the car show. She is a beauty. That vinyl's looking good. The paint is just as smooth as can be. And the reflections in the paint are looking amazing. Now, everybody that knows these cars know these quarter extensions, these bumper fillers. They take a beating. Back in the day, that plastic and stuff that they used back in the 70s was not nearly as nice as it is today. Looks like it's been all replaced. You can see the trunk is beautiful and gigantic. You can get about 14 people in there if you're going to the drive-in. Bottom side of the deck lid's all painted up, looking nice and clean. Now, this has got the pull-down latch, so all you have to do is put the deck lid down and latch it, then it pulls it down tight. You can also see all the chrome here is looking sweet. Look down the side of this long beauty. You want to talk about gorgeous and straight. Body man did it good, looking sweet. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Cadillac. So you know we took our time, picked out a great car, then we're gonna bring it here to the shop and inspect it so you can call Tom and he'll tell you all about it. It's Cadillac time. I'm gonna put the window up. We got the air conditioning on and it's about 92 degrees today, so we're gonna take advantage of the air conditioning in this big old Cadillac. 1975 model, long hood model. Big old hood out there. And she is riding just like a Cadillac. How do you like that? What a sweet automobile this is. I talked about my grandpa a bunch. He used to always have an Oldsmobile and he always bought Grandma a Cadillac, and I'm pretty sure we had one that was pretty close to this year. Of course, back in 1975, I'd only been about 13 or 14 years old, so I do remember Cadillac though, that's for sure. And we can ship this here Cadillac anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. She's driving straight down the road, no problem. I got one finger on the wheel here. I'm putting the brakes on with no hands on the wheel at all, except I got to turn this corner, so I haven't figured out how to do that with no hands yet. Now down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet. I mean, it is just beautiful. You can tell the car was very well cared for throughout the years. I said, that's a lot of years, man. We got a custom center console here. It's got some of the computer and that in there for the aftermarket fuel injection. A couple of cup holders. Of course, back in the day, they didn't put cup holders in cars. So we'd love to have you come out and visit. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the net, but please come on out. Check out our inventory, check out this Cadillac in person. We're close to the airport if you need to fly. We'll make you an appointment on Saturday if you want. We're gonna head back to the shop right now where we're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the bottom side. And please share this video with all your friends. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye on us. We post between 30 and 40 new cars every month, so you never know what we'll have tomorrow, so keep an eye. Now we're underneath the Cadillac, and it is pretty under here. 1975 model, but you can't tell by looking under here. You can see that they've run a new exhaust, tank's in great condition, and look at this massive rear end housing in here. All stock, looking good. Looks like somebody's put some new shocks on it. Our guys will take the brakes all apart and make sure they're in good working order. Everything just looking sweet as can be. Now somebody put a Flowmaster muffler on the Cadillac, so they knew what I was thinking. You can see this pipe's all brand new. Nice coating on the floor. This is like a bed liner material. Or it's a real tight undercoating from the factory. I don't know, but it's pretty. It's got an aftermarket cat on it. You can see that it looks like the down tube's original. Everything under here is clean as can be. And the previous owner states that they rebuilt the motor. Looks like the sway bar bushings are all replaced and new. Looks like those shocks are also new. Everything under here just looking pretty as can be. I mean, don't forget, this is a 75. So it's been very, very well kept throughout the years. Wide whites, stock hubcaps, all looking sweet. American Classic tires. See if we can find a size on here. It's up at the top, my guy says. 235/75 15s. And look at that paint, man. Look at that rocker molding. You can also see the frame is all nicely painted. Man, this car's nice. This baby definitely lived in somebody's garage. They probably had grandma's quilt over the top of it. Out back, same size, same good looking hubcap. Then the fender skirts, you guys know how these work. You just push up on this and pull that down. There's a little hook up there. It just hooks up in there. So we're gonna lower it down now and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, it is clean as can be. Like I said, the previous owner stated that they pulled this thing out and rebuilt this thing. I think it was in 17. They've added Phytech fuel injection. You can see it's got the HEI distributor, it's got power brakes, power steering, and they said they upgraded the AC to 134 from R12. You can see everything under here is just as clean as can be, right down to the insulation on the bottom side of the hood. I do believe in the notes it says it's a rebuilt radiator in it also. I mean, it's just clean as a whistle, man. She's a Cadillac. She drives like a Cadillac. She looks like a Cadillac. Let's park it in your driveway. Give us a call, 248-974-9513.